feel lost. I've been letting on mine instead of shutting down.
What's up guys, Cohen Singh here, back with another video, and we've got something special today. Yes, we've got the iPhone 10. Yes. Okay, so this is the space gray one. You can see the black Apple logo, and the silver one, you'll see the silver. Here also silver, and here too. So this is the space gray one, 64 gig Indian unit. Okay, so let's unbox this up. Okay, we don't need knives or anything to unbox this because you got this flap. Okay, let's do this. I actually love this sound a lot. Yeah, I like this. Okay, so this is nice picture of the iPhone 10. Okay, whoa, that's easy. Have you ever noticed the Apple smell? I do anyways. Designed by Apple in California, of course. Whoa. Okay, so let's see what's inside. Hello. Okay, again the manuals. This time I might need to read these because this is a whole gesture phone, so no home button, right? Let's put this aside. Yeah, always the Apple stickers, but never use them. I don't know what people do with it. I've got so many of them. Never use the Apple stickers. Mention a comment. I mean, tell where you have used your Apple stickers. Mention a comment below. Let's put this aside. This is empty. Right. Injection tool. Gain some manuals. Put them aside, and this is the phone. Whoa. I like the stainless steel black. Okay, let's put this aside for a minute. And what do we have? We have the ordinary power brick. I mean, come on Apple, it's $1,000 phone, and at least you should, use you support quick charge and fast charge. I mean, you should give at least bigger power bricks. I mean, come on. Anyways, I'm going to use the iPad charge. I'm not going to use this. Anyways, and we have the AirPods as well. Right, don't have a headphone jack, so need to use this one. And of course, the lightning cable, right? Anyways, let's put this aside now. And let's see this. This is the space gray one. And this is slick. Wow. Okay, if you buy the silver one, it has a stainless steel frame. This is also stainless steel frame, but it is polished. But well, it's preference, and I kind of like the black one, so I ordered the black one. And in the stainless steel one, the white one, if it did get scratched, you can use the aluminum and steel polish. You can again shine it up, and it will look like the new one. But let's see how this will handle up. Okay, let's power this on. Some juice. Wait, it's not pouring on. Okay guys, I charge up my phone, and I've kind of set it up, and you can see the Face ID lock here. Just look into my phone, and there it goes. It unlocks. It works really good. I haven't seen, like, it kind of works like 9 out of 10 times. Sometimes it doesn't, but most of the time. But they say it kind of learns, and it'll work better day by day as you keep on using it. Okay, so you can see the stainless steel black. I've kind of removed the lamination, and you can see the color, looks good. Yeah, the black does, fingerprints on it, but he'll put a case on it. That's it. The Face ID works really good. I'm gonna look at, yeah, works. It's very fast and smooth. That's it. That's the unboxing, and I'll give my initial reviews of the phone, and I'll test the camera and the battery life and everything, and I'll give my initial reviews of the iPhone 10. That's it, guys. Thank you for watching my video. Like, subscribe, share. Thank you, guys. Peace.